Are you ready to revolutionize your cooking routine? Today, I'm sharing kitchen gadgets that will absolutely blow your mind. These tools are designed to save time, reduce effort, and make your cooking experience more fun. Don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe for more kitchen hacks and gadget reviews. In today's busy world, kitchen gadgets are more than just fun, they're lifesavers. Whether you're a beginner or a pro chef, the right tools can simplify meal prep, speed up cooking, and even make cleanup easier. What's the one kitchen task you wish a gadget could handle for you? Let me know in the comments below. First up is the automatic pan stir. This genius gadget stirs sauces, soups, or custards for you, so you can focus on other tasks. It's perfect for dishes that require constant attention, and most models come with adjustable speeds. Would you add this to your kitchen arsenal? Let me know below. For all the grill masters and home cooks, meet the Smart Meat Thermometer. This wireless device syncs with your phone and tells you when your meat has reached the perfect temperature. Say goodbye to overcooked steaks or underdone chicken forever. If you've tried a smart thermometer, share your experience in the comments. Peeling fruits and vegetables just got an upgrade with the electric peeler. This gadget peels potatoes, apples, and more with the push of a button. It's a huge time saver, especially if you're prepping for a big meal. Does peeling take up too much of your time? This gadget might just change your life. If you love fresh herbs, you'll adore the indoor herb garden. These smart planters come with LED grow lights and automatic watering systems. Grow basil, parsley, or cilantro right on your countertop, all year round. What herbs would you plant in your indoor garden? Tell me in the comments. Next up, we have the Smart Blender. It's not just for smoothies, it can make soups, nut butters, and even dough. Some models have built-in programs and Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can control them from your phone. Imagine prepping a smoothie while you're still in bed. This gadget makes it possible. There you have it, 5 kitchen gadgets that will blow your mind and transform the way you cook. These tools are innovative, efficient, and perfect for anyone looking to elevate their kitchen game. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. If this video inspired you, give it a thumbs up, share it with a fellow foodie, and subscribe for more reviews and cooking tips. Until next time, happy cooking and enjoy exploring the world of mind-blowing kitchen gadgets.